Transform All India brand launch, and which is a chain of fantastic gyms, and we're really happy that we could be part of something like this, because I think I really propagate fitness and healthy living. So I'm glad we can be here to spread that awareness and to let people know that fitness is very essential. So we're here to transform.
आपके लिए कितना मायने रखता है फिटनेस?
ये बहुत मायने रखता है, पर्टिकुलरली मेरे लिए, क्योंकि मेरे को फिट रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है. मैं थोड़ा सा कहीं ना कहीं छूट जाती है मेरे से एक्सरसाइज, बट बाय एंड लार्ज आई फाइंड सम वे और द अदर टू कीप माई सेल्फ फिट एंड गो टू जिम. जिम जाने के लिए इंस्पिरेशन बड़ा ज़रूरी होता है. अच्छे जिम्स होने चाहिए, अच्छे इक्विपमेंट होने चाहिए, अच्छा क्राउड होना चाहिए. ट्रांसफॉर्म एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ आपको सब कुछ मिलेगा. एंड है इंडियन ब्रांड, लेकिन इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड और इंटरनेशनल क्वालिटी की आपको चीज़ें मिलेंगी. सो इट्स अ वेरी फास्ट ग्रोइंग ब्रांड. इन अ मैटर ऑफ 1 ईयर, मतलब 10 महीने के अंदर इन्होंने 4 ब्रांचेस खोले. ऑल इंडिया ऑलमोस्ट 12 ब्रांचेस हैं. तो ये तभी हो सकता है जब आपका प्रोडक्ट, आपका जिम जब लोगों को पसंद आए, सक्सेसफुल हो. सो इट मेक्स वर्किंग आउट प्लेजरेबल एक्सपीरियंस.
जैसे आपके लिए फिटनेस कितना मायने रखता है और किस तरह से आप अपने आप को फिट रखना पसंद करते हैं?
जाहिर बात है, जिम जाकर अपने आप को फिट रखना हो, फिटनेस बहुत मायने रखता है, क्योंकि अगर आप फिट नहीं हो सकते तो आप कुछ अचीव नहीं कर सकते. और जैसे इंडिया एक बहुत यंग कंट्री है हिंदुस्तान, और अगर हिंदुस्तान को हम सब बात करें तरक्की करनी है, GDP बढ़ानी है, और अगर हिंदुस्तान को ग्रोथ करना है, हिंदुस्तान को फिट होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो ये बहुत मायने रखता है हिंदुस्तान को.
अरबाज, कोई डाइट फॉलो करते हैं आप अपनी फिटनेस को मेंटेन करने के लिए?
अगर मेरा सी फूड डाइट है, मेरा सी फूड आई ईट इट. एक्चुअली आई एम नॉट मतलब टू मच इनटू डाइट. आई फील कि आप वर्कआउट करो और स्टे ऑफ द like the oils, like the fried stuff and the sweets, and eat regularly. क्योंकि the kind of family that I come from, it's practically impossible. अपने मदर के घर जाता हूँ, फादर के घर जाता हूँ, तो वहाँ खाना जो है impossible होता है अवॉइड करना. बट by and large one should have a balanced diet, eat healthy and stay away from aerated waters and fried stuff and unhealthy eating. वो सब नहीं खाना चाहिए. रेगुलर खाना खाएं. तो डिपेंड्स ऑन काय के लिए आपको बॉडी चाहिए. अगर आप कंपटीशन में जा रहे हैं, आपको सिर्फ फिट होना है, डाइट इज ऑल अकॉर्डिंग टू द काइंड ऑफ वर्क दैट यू डू और व्हाट रिजल्ट्स यू गेट.
मलिका, व्हाट अबाउट वी टॉक अबाउट योर फैमिली? आपकी फैमिली में सलमान है, सोहेल है, हु इज द फिटनेस फ्रीक व्हेन इट कम्स टू जिम?
नो, आई गेस सलमान इज द वन who's actually started this entire gym culture in this country. अगर आप देखें तो इस कंट्री के अंदर ठीक है, लोग कसरत करते थे, एक्सरसाइज करते थे, मतलब अखाड़े हुआ करते थे. देयर आर दीज भैया जिम्स होते थे, बट नथिंग रियली दैट वाज लाइक हर स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट. जो लोगों ने मतलब तलवारकर्स हुआ करते थे, बट फिर भी मतलब इट वाज नॉट दैट फेमस. एंड सलमान brought almost, I feel he is the one who revolutionized everything. Almost in every suburb or every lane there was a gym, and that is, one fine day people will realize that contribution has come from him, where the youth got inspired to start working out was purely because of him. So Salman has been the pioneer in this, and he continues to do that. My younger brother is also a fitness freak, and yes, so I'm quite I kind of look up to them and I'm quite inspired by them. I try to achieve close to them.
जैसे ही अरबाज की डाइट की बात हुई, आप हंसने लगी. कुछ कंप्लेंट्स है क्या आपको?
नहीं, वो तो सिर्फ डाइट से नहीं है, बाकी बहुत सी चीज़ों से है.
मैंने बोला सी फूड, उनको खाना बहुत पसंद है. ही इज़ नॉट समबडी हु कैन स्टे अवे फ्रॉम फूड. एंड फेयर इनफ, जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि कम्स फ्रॉम अ फैमिली वेयर फूड इज़ एन इंटीग्रल पार्ट of the household, so an amazing food. But जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि healthy रहना बहुत ही important है, and a healthy diet, that is also.
मलाइका से खबर थी कि आप दंगल के लिए आपने साइन किया कि आमिर के साथ?
पसंद है. He is not somebody who can stay away from food. And fair enough, जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि comes from a family where food is an integral part of the household, so an amazing food. But जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि हेल्दी रहना बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है, एंड अ हेल्दी डाइट, दैट इज ऑल्सो.
मलाइका से खबर थी कि आप दंगल के लिए आपने साइन किया कि आमिर के साथ?
Malaika and Arbaaz, this question is for you. This question is apart from the event. Do you think star kids should be allowed to be on social networking sites who are less than 18 years of age? Star kids below 18 years of age should be allowed to be on social networking sites?
No, I don't.
Recently, Saif had an objection with Ibrahim being on social networking sites.
I think each to their
Last
own.
question, guys. Last question.
It's not. It's a very difficult question to have a real right answer. I think, but star kids in particular.
I don't know why
doesn't-
star kids,
Why star
kids in
kids?
general.
Exactly.
I think
Why only put it to star kids? There is an age limit for children to be on this, and in today's day and age, kids are very active on any, whether it's social media, whether it's on the net. The access is there.
I think once you're a teenager, I think it's
absolutely fine.
It makes, see, the world is changing. You know, what used to work 5, 10, 15 years back doesn't, like today you've got mobile access, everybody's got internet on their phones, Facebooks, doing all of. So it's very difficult to say that, oh, this is the age where it has to start or not start. Yes, anything abusive, anything that is going to be abused or going to be done excessively, it will be hazardous for everyone. But I don't think the option of using it is a problem. I don't think so, as long as it is, filtered.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Really stand out in this particular gym?
Well, I think the fact that you create a very good atmosphere in the gym, because
Absolutely,
people
yeah.
tend to spend a lot of time over there, and you should want to come to the gym. Like what Mr. Ramesh was saying, you have great facilities, you have great equipment, you've got the right people to guide you, to educate you. That is exactly why you would be inspired to go and to the gym. So when all these parameters are met, I think this will really help.
Fantastic. I totally agree. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Thank you for being here. And thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Is it okay if I call you Malaika?
Sure, you must call me. I insist you call me Malaika. Well, firstly, a very good evening to everybody over here. And it's absolutely wonderful that we can be part of something like this. And I think I feel very, very close to this, because for me, fitness is my life. Without fitness, I think I'd be an incomplete person, and my life is governed by fitness. I'm really happy that I could be here for Transform, and I wish Ramesh ji, Manoj ji, Nikhil, Sonu ji, I hope I'm not forgetting anybody, but I wish them, the entire team and all at Transform, all the very best and a super successful venture.
Wow, okay, and I'm sure they were really excited to have you here as well. When I went to meet them, I could see the glee on their face, and they were so happy because you are the epitome of fitness, and you saying that, you don't even need to say it, we know it, we see it. She, of course, is a diva. I just can't stop and admire you, because you look like this Egyptian beauty queen who hasn't aged at all, and she just she's a mom. Look at her. She dons so many caps. She's fabulous. What's up with the claps again? Ladies and gentlemen, we're talking about Malaika Arora Khan here.
Not embarrassed.
She is divine, and I'm in awe of you, of course. I'm a great admirer, and I just can't get enough of watching you, and the whole world loves you. So does the camera, the whole world loves you.
That's very sweet. Thank you.
Okay, so my question is, I know you're into fitness, but yet again, how do you really maintain looking like this? You're flawless. How do you maintain yourself? How? Do we all want to know how she's maintained herself? Yes. If you're not going to be louder, she's not going to tell us. So do we want to know how she's actually remained so fit? The secret, Malaika. Tell us.
My husband and my son keep me on my toes. That's the secret of my fitness. Well, no, I mean,
I think I need a husband and a son too.
They really do keep me constantly busy. But there are a lot of people that in my life over the years that I'm really thankful to, because they've really been there to guide me and tell me what's right and what's wrong, because like I said, I really enjoy fitness, and for me it is a religion. It's not just about going to the gym and picking up some weight and all of that. For me, fitness is a religion. And I'd love to now say that I look forward to going and working out at the nearest Transform gym. So I really look forward to that. And I can't wait to actually, enter the doors and see what it's all about. So yet again, I wish you all the very best, and I look forward to it.
Thank you. Thank you so
very
much.
much. Have a great evening.
Thank you so much.
You were absolutely wonderful. Thank you.
Unique. Thank you. That makes two uniques. Well, that's great to know you're another Chris with a K. How are you doing, and how are you finding your entire journey here in India?
It's been absolutely fantastic. I've spent 3 years here in Mumbai previously, up until late last year, and then we've been here doing some seminars over the past few days. I forget, we haven't really had much sleep since we've been here, but I just want to say that it honestly really feels close to my heart seeing this Transform company launch itself, because, and I'm not one of those Westerners that came in with all those burgers that you saw at the start, by the way. But we have spent a lot of time here because we have noticed that people are really motivated and passionate here, and we did recognize that the education was slightly down, so that's what we've been doing, is actually training the personal trainers and educating through seminars and various means. I can't excel at one thing, so that's why I do the books, and we've done the food line, I've got the supplement line, whatever, but it's all to contribute to the health, fitness and appearance goals of people here in India, because we see the growth, we see the motivation and the passion, so we're just here to educate. So just to see now this infrastructure here, born and bred in India, to actually facilitate that with an infrastructure where you can actually see personal trainers being motivated and accountable to their clients and enjoying their work, it's absolutely fantastic. So it'll be my turn now to say a round of applause.
Round of applause. Fantastic. And you have been, of course, and you have you've moved from the West, and it's very happening out there, and you took that challenge to come here in an amateur market of fitness, and you still took it up, and you decided to make that change, I would say, transform the scenario out here. So what are the changes you've already seen?
Well, it's definitely been, as Ramesh said before, over the, 20 years ago there was no gym. And over just the past 4 years, I've just seen a huge influx of people from India. Bodybuilding.com for one has seen, India is the 3rd largest market, not for conversion, but for views on the site. So it goes to show that people are hungry for that education. So we see the growth there. And obviously working with some of the celebrities, like I'm not able to inspire that many people as a lot of the celebrities here, because a lot of these Bollywood celebrities are like gods, and rightly so. When we're able to work with them, they inspire a nation to actually get in shape, because they have the physique, and people think they get the physique, they get the girl and all that, so they put that together. So
Formula.
Yeah, exactly. But it isn't all about vanity purposes. Yeah. It's all about Malika said, it's like a therapy, isn't it? You go and it's your fix. You go in and get your AA batteries for the day. It isn't just for vanity. That doesn't last, getting in shape for a wedding or anything like that. It's that therapeutic value, and it's the health value. It isn't just about big biceps. It's all about building your confidence, building your energy, getting the blood flow to your brain so you have more focus, you have less sick days, and, you feel better about yourself, through interaction and whatnot.
And I was just thinking, earlier on, because I've noticed, like, in India, the way we've been brought up, a lot of us, if you look at a lot of people around us, fitness was never really a part of our culture. It really wasn't a part of our culture. We've just grown up loving our food and our entertainment, but we've never really looked at fitness as a lifestyle. And then, of course, we have few people who really inspire us. So like you said, our Bollywood stars definitely are gods to us, because we look at them and say, hey, I'm sure even we can do that. So they are inspiring, but we need to bring that entire change into our culture, I would say. because that's what we lack and that's what we need. And I think thank you to all of you, to Transform especially, because you are here to actually inculcate that in our education of our culture of bringing fitness as a lifestyle. Correct, Chris?
Exactly. And it isn't just a gym that has, state-of-the-art equipment. It is basically an academy to educate you in the right sort of foods, because, you go to a coffee shop and you wouldn't even think it's a coffee shop. There's just cakes everywhere. But, when you kind of understand that, yes, you can kind of compromise with the Indian food. It doesn't have to be layered with butter and oil. When I order my chicken tikka, as Deepak knows, it's no oil, no butter, and it tastes just as good. And you just have to have that compromise. Okay, there's like 60% of the population is vegetarian, but there's no reason why you cannot still get your protein through various means. So again, within these gyms, as the personal trainers will be educating the visitor to come in to understand that it can be done, there are compromises, then, there's going to be, a nation of transformations, we hope.
Wow, I love that. National transformation. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much, Chris. Fantastic having you share your thoughts with us. Please. Wow. What do you think of him?
Mutual admiration.
I know. All right, good evening, sir. Lovely to have you. You don many hats, I see. What's that all about?
Sorry, I didn't get that.
You don many hats. I can, from what I just introduced you, you do so many things.
Yeah, but with the haircut now, there's no hat right now. I'm just here on stage with a pretty girl talking about fitness, so I think that's the hat. That's nice.
Go ahead. Let's talk about fitness. What is your take on Transform and your views on fitness?
First of all, congratulations to Ramesh Bhai and his entire team. It's a fantastic initiative. And my friend Vishal, more like a brother to me. And congratulations on the North India. And I'm sure he's going to start a lot of gyms. But I keep arguing and fighting with him in the gym that he needs to do more. But so proud of him today. And I think it's a very good initiative, because like I was saying earlier, that I saw the whole Make in India logo. For India to actually be a successful country and achieve the kind of potential everybody's talking about, it needs to achieve a certain amount of growth. But that growth cannot happen if you're not a fit country. Only a fit body can lead to a fit mind. And as long as we understand that, I think this is going to take that forward. What's also very important is gyms like these also create opportunities, not just for creating good bodies or good lifestyles, but also for so many people who work in the gym and transform their lives in a way as well. So I think that's a fantastic initiative. So I'm so happy and proud of that.
Thank you so much. I totally agree with you, because you're right, you're absolutely right. And like he said, fit body, fit mind, and I think that itself translates into everything. They say your body is your temple, right, Malaika? Absolutely, right? So it is. And if we don't treat it like one,
you want to go there, get good energy, good vibes. And once you're in a place that gives you good energy and good vibes, you spread that around. So I think it's happiness all around. So I think that's in a way transforming.
All around. Who doesn't want happiness? Let's clap to happiness. I agree. All right. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank
and all
you.
the best, everybody.
Thank you.